How to add links to Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can add links to your Instagram stories. So adding links to your Instagram stories is a great way to share relevant content with your followers. You can easily include hyperlinks to websites or articles directly in your stories. And here is how you can do it. The first step is to launch the Instagram application on your device and then move to the top part of the screen and tap on your story. All right, so after tapping on your story, you'll be taken to the posting page. Or before then, you can see the prompt at the lowest part of the screen. Add to your story, edit close friend list, select add to your story, and then you'll be taken to the add to your stories page. So yeah, you can decide to select any of the pictures, whatever you would like to post or that you'd like to attach links to. So for me, I'll be selecting this particular picture. And so after selecting the picture, on the pictures interface, move to the top part of the screen. Note that it doesn't have to be a picture. It could be a video. You could decide to record the video, whatever. But for me, I prefer a picture. And so at the part of the screen, you can see some icons such as text icon, sticker icon, filters, and all of that. Just go ahead and click on the sticker icon. And then after doing that, you can see some stickers here: location, mention, add yours, avatar, questions, music poll, then link. So just go ahead and click on link. And the next thing for you to do is to go ahead and paste your link here. So I'll just go ahead and paste my link here. And so you can also decide to customize your text sticker if you want. Once you're done, move to the top right corner, click on done, and then just like that, you can see the link has been added, and then you can adjust this where you want it to be. You can just drag it and place it at the position you want it to be. And then once you're done, select where you want to post it to your close friends or to your stories. After selecting your story, the posts and the link would be sent automatically. So that is it. Now you can easily share relevant links in your stories and make them more engaging and informative for everyone. So have a happy time telling your stories on Instagram. Bye bye.